What's up guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Prusa MK4. So we got the box right here. It has everything, the kit. So this is the kit, it is not the assembled printer. We have the kit pieces, the orange filament, and the PEI sheet. So you can see the box, it's not too big, but it's medium size. Prusa MK4 Kit. Picture of the printer. Looks like an extruder cross section. And then another picture of the printer. So let's get to unboxing. Lay the box down. So inside the box, we got a thank you for your purchase paper. It's like a handbook. Probably using that in some future videos. Some of the printer. Some gummy bears. Kind of Prusa's thing. We have power supply cable. Probably a QC strip. Make sure all the components are good. We have a, looks like a USB drive for the control board. And we have the Steel Sheet MK4 PEI. Is that it for the top? Kind of cool. Set to the side. Okay, so it unfolds. Folds. We have a power supply. Delta PSU 24 volt. We have motor kits, extrusion and plate sets, rods, we have fasteners, electronics. We have printed parts, orange buddy case. That's probably the frame, heat bed, and carriage. Wraps up this video. There'll be some more assembly videos in the future. So if you like the video and see the videos first, make sure you click subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys next time.